Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you an amazing technique with which you can read the Snapchat messages without even opening them. So if you don't want to notify the other person that you have already read the message, how we can do that? As we can see, we have received some chat with the friend. So we will not simply open that because otherwise the other person will know that we have opened that. Now, what you can do here is place the finger on the corner of the chat on the profile. Just don't click it. Just place the finger and hold it there. Just place on the center of your profile and just start swiping towards right. You need to immediately swipe towards right. Only then you should be able to see that message. Now just remember, we will not open the complete message, otherwise it will be shown as receipt. We can just scroll carefully like this, and then you should be able to read the message, and then after that you can place it again there. So as you can see, we have already read the message, but it is still showing as a new chat. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button. Also, if you want to join the complete playlist on how to do different things on Snapchat, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.